The fragrance in Citrus 11 is contributed mainly by this orchid. It releases a beautiful scent and comes in a diversity of colors. We have chosen to include other therapeutic orchids to this composition. Due to their therapeutic nature, they can alleviate anxiety and help improve sleep of individuals. Citrus 11 is also comprised of other scent enhancers. These scent enhancers deliver a synergy effect to the fragrance structure, providing a more intricate touch to it. These ingredients are included: grapefruits, gooseberry, lemon, and lime, to name a few. All these fruits are added to embellish the existing citrusy notes, stimulating energy and concentration. Suffering from jet lag or a hangover? Grapefruit oil will be your go-to scent. This oil is also great in relieving colds and headaches. Lemons and limes are known for their purifying and cleansing properties due to their antibacterial function. They're a great skin supplement, giving radiance to dull skin. If you're a huge fan of sharp, citrusy, fruity scents, this one's for you. Kindly note, the scent notes, particularly orchid scent notes, sometimes change due to soil, temperature, and other variations.